And now let's shift to one of the two major stories of the day, the Snowflake IPO. We knew that there was a big demand on this IPO, specifically when the news came out that Berkshire Hathaway and Buffett is investing in the name. The IPO was priced yesterday at $120. However, today we saw the stampede and the mania on this IPO lifting the price all the way to over $250, more than doubling the IPO price. And of course, taking the valuation of an IPO company that is still in its growth stage to over $70 billion. This is of course an indication and an illustration of the mania, the market bubble that we're living in. It is reminiscent of the 1999 bubble, where you saw speculative IPOs left and right raising insane amount of money only to be met with insiders and executives dumping stocks, becoming richer, and of course the dummy retail investors who bought the IPO are left holding the bag. I think we will see a similar story here with Snowflake. The stock, of course, closed today down about 20% from the peak. I think that we're not going to see the peak price of Snowflake for years to come, meaning that the dummies who bought at the top are going to be left holding the bag. And of course, if you ask 9 out of 10 of the retail investors who stampeded today to buy this name, in 30 seconds, tell me what Snowflake does. They wouldn't know the answer. They're buying something, they don't even know what it is. They have the sheep, the herd mentality. They heard Buffett is buying. Buffett bought, by the way, from a private investor in the name at IPO prices. They did not buy at the prices where retail investor dummies bought at. And this begs the question, of course. We always talk about the difference in mentality between the rich and the poor. The rich gets richer, the poor gets poorer. Why is that? Because the poor are dummies. The rich dangles a little shiny object, a lottery ticket in front of us, and us dummy retail investors, our eyes light up, we see green, we're seduced by the shiny object, we hand them our money, buying the lottery ticket, investing in a dream at the highest valuations we've ever seen. And of course, the rich takes our money, gives us the lottery ticket, they bank the money, they laugh at us, and what do you know? The lottery ticket doesn't work, the stock declines, and now we're holding the bag of losses, and the losses are becoming severe, and we panic. We sell, we swallow our pride, we realize that we're stupid, and we move on. Meanwhile, the rich now have our cash. They get to buy the asset for cheaper prices and ride the same ride higher again, getting richer in the process. This is how the rich gets richer and the poor keeps getting poorer. We have no self-dignity. Apple, Tesla, all these stocks priced at insane valuations. Yet we continue to buy them, believing in a dream, in a pipe dream that will never happen. Imagine if somebody present you with a used car, but they're asking for 10 times the fair market value because they're saying, hey, in the next 10 to 20 years, the value of this car, it's going to become a classic and the value will increase tenfold. So I'm asking you to buy it from me at that premium. Would you buy that used car? You wouldn't, because you are not stupid. So why are you being stupid when investing in the stock market? Don't you have any bargaining skills? Didn't they teach you that you buy things cheap and you sell them expensive, not the other way around? But of course, the market has been invaded by these zombie traders, brainless traders who have absolutely no clue what they're doing. They downloaded Robinhood, they figured out it's cool to press a couple of buttons and watch their account value as if they were watching the scoreboard in a video game. And of course, you get the stampede and the mania we're seeing in the market.